To begin your magic circle, you're going to get your yarn. I have cotton yarn today, and I'm going to be wrapping it around 3 of my fingers. I chose 3 because that's just what's easier for me. And I like to bring that extra tail in front of my pinky just to kind of like get it out the way. So you're going to take your hook and place it in and bring the yarn through, and you're going to do a single crochet. Now you're going to be doing a single crochet, and you're going to chain 1, and then you're going to half double crochet 5 inside of the loop. After you finish crocheting 5 extra stitches, you should have a total of 6. You're going to pull that tail from the beginning until it's nice and tight, and it brings those stitches into a circle form. Now you're going to insert your hook through the first stitch, through the back of the first stitch under those 2 top loops. And you're going to go through that first stitch, not the loop that you have, but the first stitch, and then you're going to pull the yarn through that first stitch under those first 2 loops, and then you're going to single crochet in every single stitch. So you should have 12 stitches at the end. When you get to the end of the first round, you're going to take your hook out of that last loop, and you're going to stick your hook in that first stitch, okay, in the top 2 stitches at the top, and you're going to pull that 6th stitch in through the back loop. Okay, now you do this so you don't have that line, that indicator that you know this is where you started the round at, so you have a clean circle. For the next round, you're going to do 2 single crochet in the first stitch and 1 single crochet in the next stitch and 2 single crochet in the stitch after that, and you're just going to alternate 2 1 2 1 2 1 until you reach the end of that next round. This is a step that you absolutely don't want to miss. So take that hook out when you get to the end and put that hook through the first stitch through the back, and you're going to pull that loop through the top 2 stitches that you put your hook into, and then you are going to reinsert your hook into that first stitch to complete your single crochet. In order to reach the circumference that you're trying to reach for your circle, you're just going to keep increasing by 1 stitch every single round. So the first round we did 2 single crochet into each stitch, then we did 2 single crochet followed by 1 single crochet in each stitch, repeating that pattern. For round 3 we would put 2 single crochet in the first stitch and 1 single crochet in the next 3 stitches. So each round you would just increase by 1 to reach the circumference that you want. Like and share this post. Let me know in the comments if this tutorial was helpful, and if you need any other crochet or knit tutorials.